In this video, I'm going to show you how to explode your affiliate marketing sales with paid traffic tricks. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. Now we're going to do this in 3 easy steps. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button because I'm going to be making more videos of how to make money online and tricks and tips that you can use to generate money very quickly. Let's make some money. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing paid traffic. I can promise you that this is going to be the best and the most important video you've ever seen. What free app to use to generate targeted traffic fast for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. This is not going to be just for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. You can use it for any affiliate marketing network, but we've been concentrating lately on Digistore 24. Number 2, how to explode your Digistore 24 affiliate marketing paid traffic with any niche. Okay, Digistore 24 affiliate marketing paid traffic. Now, of course, we're talking about some tricks, not anything that everybody does. And these are things that hardly anybody told you about. Maybe you are following somebody on YouTube, but they're not giving you what you want. So I'm going to give you exactly the same formula that we use to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars for us and for our clients. Number 1, like we mentioned, what free app to use to generate targeted traffic fast for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. Like I mentioned before, this is not just for Digistore 24. You can use it with any affiliate marketing network that I have covered before. Now, I did cover free traffic before. In case you don't know how to get to that video, make sure to let me know and I'll provide you with that. So what we're talking about here is targeted traffic. In other words, is whatever you are trying to promote, this is what the leads are going to be for. In order for you to do that, to generate affiliate marketing traffic fast, you must avoid mistakes other affiliates are making. And this is very important, and we're going to talk about them right now. The one that I'm talking about, it's called Udemy.com. But a lot of people, 98% of all affiliates do it wrong. Even the pros, and some of them I watch on YouTube, and they are telling you things that are wrong. So I'm going to cover the most important thing in order for you to succeed. Okay, before I get going here, I just want to let you know, because I don't want you to get upset, because some people did get upset about this. I do have, this is a free platform. In other words, you can sign up. It is free. You don't have to pay anything to join. But in case you want to use them, you have to pay, obviously, because they're doing the work for you. And they do fantastic work if you follow exactly how I'm teaching you. So make sure to do that. There is a link in the description area, and I have not been talking about that before because I don't like to promote stuff. But anyway, even though I do have some kind of relationship with the company, there is a discount that I have for you. If you click on that link, you would get that discount if you want to, or you can go straight to them. But unfortunately, you don't get that discount. I managed to do that. You can get that if you click on that link, and it will take you there. So some people before told me, why didn't you tell us about this and things like that? So here you go. I'm telling you about it right now, so you know that there is a discount if you clicked on that. It's already built in. You don't have to do anything or put in any codes at all. When you log in, sign up for Udemy, you're going to be faced with this. You want to go ahead and click on the find sellers. I'm going to go with the basic stuff that you should know and you should avoid as well. You're going to have something like this. I'm going to go ahead and just put this up here a little bit. This is the most important box. Here it says a price maximum. What is the price maximum? You know, if you click on it, it shows you different stuff. Do not mess with that. Okay, just leave it the way it is. Do not mess with that. There's a lot of other YouTube people that are trying to tell you a little bit more about Udemy, or tell you about traffic, how to generate traffic for any affiliate marketing, and they sit there and they tell you about, oh, put this and put that. Don't. The other thing that is very important is the niche. Believe it or not, I just saw a person who has been on YouTube for a long time giving this advice. He said, don't worry about the niche, just put all niches. I don't agree with that. For example, if you are in making money online, and then you come out, or somebody pops up that is not specialized in that, specialized maybe in fitness, you're not going to benefit from that. So you click on that and then you put whatever you want. This is the main niche, guys. This is not the sub niche. This is the main niche. So you click on marketing if you are in that industry, in the marketing. In case you're not, finance, health. As far as rating, don't worry about that. And you can put rating here if you want to. Got sales, you can just play with it. We don't, because you'll be able later on to find out exactly how they're doing it. Now, you can see what their sales are. I'll cover that here with you in just a little bit. Repeat orders, you can click on that if you want to. There are some people that have repeat orders. Obviously, people with repeat orders, they tend to have a loyal people that saw some benefits from using them. Sales, for example, you want to sort by sales or by something else, the highest sale or the rating or whatever. Leave that blank, guys. Don't sit there and overcomplicate it. Don't. Location, forget about that. Don't even do that. I've seen some people try to tell you do this and do that. I'm going to show you some tricks here in a little bit where you really don't have to do any of that. Start within here, put anytime. The only thing that we did is the niche. We just chose a niche in case this is your niche. If not, just do something else. The rest of it is main traffic sources or countries. Don't mess with that. There's a trick for that as well. Sales, language, don't mess with that. If they are online or not, this is up to you. In case you want to speak to somebody right away, you can go ahead and just say, hey, I want somebody right now. As far as ID, this is important because a lot of people get confused about this. When you see ID verification, Udemy, they do verify their people, but don't worry about that, because if somebody is good, it doesn't matter if they are verified their ID or they didn't verify their ID, because Udemy, you probably don't know, they do a lot of tricks to find out if these providers are actually given any fraudulent clicks or leads. I don't want to go over that too much because I don't want to compromise anything. There are a lot of things that they do, and they try to see if these provider bite on these fraud leads. Okay, we're continuing right now for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing paid traffic tricks. Now, number 2, how to explode your Digistore 24 affiliate marketing paid traffic with any niche. Okay, so right now we are at Udemy, which is the best place for you to get the least expensive traffic for any affiliate marketing platform that you are using right now. I apologize for maybe other YouTubers have misled you that Udemy is only for affiliate marketing or make money online and things like that. This is not true, because we've been using it for a very long time, but some people don't know how to use it correctly, because you can use it for almost anything. So I'm going to prove that to you right now. So what you want to do is go to keyword right here. I'm going to put something really strange, which is spiritual. Guess what? Yeah, there are some people who are doing spiritual stuff and maybe some stuff in between. Now you should understand that you can use almost any niche or sub niche. Obviously, you need to be aware and you need to have some kind of maybe background information about what you are doing. What is fast targeted traffic? It's also called solo ads. However, solo ads is very difficult for people to understand what is solo ads, especially if you are new. So solo ad is nothing but a fast targeted traffic. Targeted traffic is nothing but lead providers. They just give you leads. That's all. This is what you need to know. Inside that website, there are some providers that provide leads based on what you are looking for or what you are promoting. Let's say that you are promoting weight loss. You would pick that lead provider, and I showed you how to do it in this video. You're gonna order some clicks. That's what they call them, clicks. Clicks is just very much like a lead. Leads are ordered. Lead provider looks at what you are selling to make sure that it fits his own audience. And if it does, he'll accept the order, and then he will ask you to provide an email with a link. In case you don't know how to do this email, make sure that you contact that lead provider and let him know that, can you write this for me, because he can do a better job, because it is his own audience or it's his own list. He knows it more than you do. The other thing is that you can give that lead provider a link to your landing page. As far as the email, let's go back to the email just for a second. You can write all this email, you can do all that inside this website. So you don't have to go back and forth. You don't have to do, everything is done right here. The tracking is done right here inside this website. The most important thing for you to understand that inside this, you would write something. If you don't know how to write it, you will have the lead provider write it for you. Basically, you would ask him, you would message that person, or you can have a landing page that is already made. Send the leads to this landing page. In case you need a whole full funnel, ask that provider. They will help you with that. This is how it should be done. Again, it's a website. Don't worry about anything else. This is leads. This is the fastest way for you to get leads to any type of niche. And I'll prove that to you in this video. Lead provider will help you get laser targeted leads based on what you are selling. So make sure you understand that. In case you have any questions on that, let me know. But you can get a lot of help from the provider. Talked about that inside this video. If you want to start your journey with affiliate marketing and know everything about affiliate marketing and how to get started very quickly and start making money, make sure to click up here. If you want to make $13,000 with Digistore 24 on an autopilot, make sure to click right here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.